This is the PicoScope 5000E series USB oscilloscope, a 16-bit device capable of high precision measurement with outstanding low noise performance. It's the perfect oscilloscope for testing low amplitude signals from sensitive medical sensors or looking at ripple in power supply design. With the ultra low noise floor of under 22 microvolts RMS and over 73 dB of total harmonic distortion, the available dynamic range at 16 bits shows the detail in low amplitude signals which would otherwise be hidden in the noise. The PicoScope 5000E series comes in two variants. The standard 5000E model, a 16-bit only device with up to 200 MHz of bandwidth, and the 5000E Plus model with a switchable 16 or 8-bit resolution with bandwidths of 200 MHz or 500 MHz in each mode. Each variety has an MSO option for an extra 16 digital channels. On the front panel, all models come with 4 analog BNC channels, a built-in signal generator, and an external trigger interface. The device can be powered and controlled with the supplied USB-C to C cable, or controlled by the additionally supplied USB-C to A cable and powered separately with the also supplied power supply. Diving into the hardware specifications, the 5000E 16-bit and the 5000E Plus 16-bit modes, the bandwidth is up to 200 MHz at 2.5 gigasamples per second with 1 gigasample of deep memory, along with a noise floor of under 22 microvolts RMS. For high speed and digital measurement, the Plus model's switchable 8-bit mode has a maximum available bandwidth of 500 MHz, a sample rate of 5 gigasamples per second, and 2 gigasamples of deep memory. All of this capability is controlled via the PicoScope 7 software, which is available free on Mac, Windows, and Linux operating systems. This provides an interface for controlling the voltage range, time base, and provides a variety of tools to help you measure and verify your waveforms. A couple of notable features include a suite of advanced triggers to lock down a complex analog signal using window triggers or runt triggers and more. Mask limit testing to find glitches or errors in the measured signal with programmable actions to alert the user or export the data. Math channels that allow customized formula to extract more information out of your data or build new signals from one or more input waveforms. Or a multitude of ever-expanding automated measurements to perform power analysis, frequency and amplitude measurements, and much more. Display your data in FFT spectrum mode to visualize peak signals or modulated data in the frequency domain, or use the persistence mode to visualize signal integrity over multiple captures. The Pico SDK is also an option to directly control your PicoScope 5000E series using Python, C, C#, MATLAB or LabVIEW, perform manufacturing tests or create custom applications using your oscilloscope. All of this packaged into a tablet-sized footprint, ideal for adding to your compact test bench. With USB connectivity and power delivery, it's the ideal precision oscilloscope. To get yours, head to picotech.com or click the link below to go directly to the page.